cracking the code. It's not my journey in Bollywood because it has just started. It is my journey to Bollywood, and I've been in this mass media for the past 12 years now because I'm 30 and I started when I was 18. So more than 1/3 of my life has been in mass media. So it is amazing. And that's my lovely wife Tara Kashyap. She's also very intelligent, more intelligent than me, and she's helped me out with writing this book. Like she's written most of the book.
So yeah, we had this traditional love story where we never met each other, but more or less there was no FaceTime, nothing. And I loved that bit, and so because of that, I could actually observe him. I saw him as a fan, as a girlfriend, and then as a wife. Now I'm a mom too, so I'm loving every role that I shared in his life with him. And I'm so glad I got an opportunity to write this book about him with him. It made me come closer to him.
In fact, none of my contemporaries have written a book. And I think, as I said earlier, that the struggling pattern of Bollywood has changed a lot. There's a lot of demand and supply right now, one. And there's a lot of competition at the same time. But the things have become more streamlined now. They've become more democratic, as I said. Now you have more opportunities. Now nobody shuns you away. Or, if you have talent, you can just meet a casting director, give an audition, and be selected. It's as simple as that. So I think it's not really autobiographical, but I've just given real life instances, not about my successes, but also about my failures. More about my failures, in fact. I think success is a lousy teacher, or failure teaches you a lot. I think दोनों चीजें होंगी. गाइडलाइंस तो जरूर रहेंगी हमारी युवाओं के लिए जो अभी अपने बस्ते बांध कर मुंबई आ रहे हैं अपने लिए अपनी आंखों में. और कुछ सेंसेशनल तो क्या होगा. आई थिंक मैं कुछ वही बोल रहा हूँ कि मैं बताने के लिए लिखा है, बेचने के लिए बुक नहीं लिखी है. मैं कुछ बताना चाहता था, कुछ कहना चाहता था, क्योंकि ये शायद इस इंडस्ट्री में शायद 12 साल 30 साल की उम्र में 12 साल किसने नहीं दी होगी इस इंडस्ट्री को. That's what I think.
No, actually, so it was good to kind of have arguments, and all of them were creative arguments, so it brought out the best in each other. And predominantly our arguments and fights just helps us grow. So I think it's but natural, and we help each other grow. That's beautiful part.
It's dedicated to people who are the strugglers of Aram Nagar. It's dedicated to people who have packed their bags and come to the city of dreams. It is also dedicated to people who have packed their bags and going back to their hometowns after giving it up. So yeah, it's a very personal journey, and I think it will be a great help book for all the aspiring actors in today's day and age, because it's different from earlier times, like in 60s, 70s, 80s. Most of the studios were like fortresses. आपको अंदर जाने से मना कर देते थे, बाहर से भगा देते थे जब आप एक्टर बनना चाहते थे. But right now, it has become so streamlined. You know, the casting directors have come in the picture. It's so democratic that if you're talented, you just go there, give an audition, and if you're talented, you're selected. So I think it's the golden era of Indian cinema. I think I'm really happy that I'm born in this era, I'm an actor in this era. It's operating beyond nepotism. Outsiders are welcome with open hands, open arms. So that's cracking the code all about.